Ever walked into a data science interview and found yourself dumbfounded by the first question? Let's demystify this together. One common question you might encounter is, what is data science and why is it important? Data science, in its essence, is a multidisciplinary field. It employs scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from a mix of structured and unstructured data. And why is it important, you ask? Well, in today's data-driven world, businesses are increasingly relying on data science for decision-making and strategic planning. It helps companies understand their customers better, identify trends and patterns, make predictions, and even innovate new products and services. In short, data science is like a lighthouse in the stormy sea of data, guiding businesses to their goals. So, the next time you face this question, remember to emphasize on its multidisciplinary nature and its crucial role in modern businesses. Remember, understanding the fundamentals of data science is your first step to acing that interview. Now that we've tackled the basics, let's dive into some statistical questions you might encounter. First up, a classic. What is a p-value? In the simplest terms, a p-value is a measure of the probability that an observed data set would occur by chance if the null hypothesis were true. It's a crucial tool in statistical hypothesis testing, and it's used to determine the significance of results. Next, let's discuss regression. When asked to explain the concept of regression, think about it as a method that allows us to examine the relationship between two or more variables of interest. While there are many types of regression analysis, they all perform the same basic function. They predict a main variable, known as the dependent variable, based on the values of other variables, known as independent variables. These are just two examples of the statistical questions you may face in a data science interview. Remember, statistics is the backbone of data science. It's the discipline that allows us to collect, analyze, interpret, present, and organize data. So, whether you're predicting future trends, testing a hypothesis, or just trying to make sense of a massive data set, you'll need a solid understanding of statistics. It's not just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding the story those numbers tell and using that understanding to make informed decisions. Statistical knowledge is invaluable in data science, so ensure you brush up on your stats. Statistics down. What about those tech-heavy questions? Let's dig in. Now, when it comes to technical questions, they're likely to revolve around key concepts like machine learning and overfitting. So, how do you tackle these? Well, let's start with machine learning. It's a term that's thrown around a lot these days, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates the building of analytical models. It's a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that machines should be able to learn and adapt through experience. Essentially, it's all about making computers do smart things without explicitly programming them. Next up, overfitting. A common pitfall in machine learning, overfitting happens when a model learns from not only the general patterns in the data, but also from the noise or random fluctuations. This results in a model that's too complex, performing well on training data but poorly on new, unseen data. Imagine memorizing the answers for a specific test, then failing when the questions change. That's overfitting in a nutshell. Remember, the goal here is not to regurgitate textbook definitions, but to demonstrate an understanding of these concepts and their implications in the real world of data science. Technical proficiency is key in data science. Be sure to master the basics. So we've covered the basics, statistics, and technical aspects. What next? Well, it's time to dive into the practical side of things. It's crucial to gain hands-on experience in data science. This could be through internships, online courses with practical components, or even self-driven projects. You see, your portfolio projects are your golden ticket in a data science interview. They showcase your ability to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problems, proving your competence beyond any doubt. So don't shy away from building projects and solving complex data puzzles. And let's not forget about continuous learning. Data science is a rapidly evolving field. New tools, techniques, and algorithms are cropping up every day. Staying updated and continually learning is not just a bonus, it's a necessity. So, keep studying, keep practicing, and keep building. Remember, every interview is a learning experience. So, stay curious, keep learning, and you'll ace your next data science interview.